Emergency ballast testing can be performed on an individual emergency ballasts or groups. Emergency ballasts are tested to check the ballast is operating normally under battery power. Two types of tests can be performed. Firstly, the functional test, and secondly, a duration test. The duration test is run for a minimum of 90 minutes. From the maintenance overview, we can see a rundown of the number of emergency groups and whether groups have passed or failed an emergency test. Let's click into the emergency testing area again. From here, you can manually run a functional or duration test. It is important to realize you can run these tests on individual fittings or groups depending on what is highlighted in the main list. We have chosen the group. Clicking on Start under the functional test has started the test. The amount of time will depend on the type of fitting. In this example, both our fittings pass the functional test. For the duration test, we will just select a single fitting. Notice the test was stopped on the previous occasion. Hitting Start begins the duration test again. Notice the test failed with the battery in the fitting failing. Finally, it is also possible to retest the fittings from the lamp manager screen if the fitting has previously failed a test. A more common scenario with emergency testing is that tests will be scheduled at specific times. To access the wizard, left-click on the Scheduling Assistant. Step 1 is to set the frequency of the test. For our functional tests, we have chosen a weekly test to begin at 7 AM, while the duration test is monthly, starting at 5 AM. Step 2 and 3 require the start date to be set for both tests. Hitting Finish will then complete the process. The emergency testing schedules then appear under their own folder on the Schedules screen. Navigating through the folders and selecting the actual schedule allows the ability to view the settings on the right of the screen. Another important function with emergency testing is to access reports. Clicking on the Reports tab, two specific emergency test reports can be found under the predefined folder. Select the emergency test history. Reviewing the report settings in the top right of the screen, this particular report covers previous week of both functional and duration testing. Clicking on Run in the bottom left of the screen will run the report.